Anyway, so today's video is going to be a Holi related video. It's gonna be a Holi hairstyle because first of all, make three section of your hair. This is a simple braid. I just made like, and then hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So today's video is going to be a Holi related video. एक साल हो गया। पिछले साल 2020 में जब होली था तब तो ऐसे कोरोना ऐसे ही स्टार्ट हुआ था एंड नाउ इट्स 2021. कोरोना इज एंड बट द सेकेंड वेव इज कमिंग. एनीवे, we all are going to play Holi in 2021 as well. कमेंट करके बताओ कौन कौन होली खेलते हो जो मुझे अभी देख रहे हो. बट आई डोंट प्ले होली सिंस लास्ट 10 years. पिछले 10 सालों से नहीं खेलती हूँ. पता नहीं फिर से कब मौका मिलेगा खेलने का. सो टुडेज वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी अ होली हेयर स्टाइल वीडियो बिकॉज ऐसे ओपन हेयर में होली खेलने कोई भी नहीं जाता एंड अगर पॉनीटेल करोगे तो भी शायद उसका हालत ख़राब हो जाएगा. सो यू नीड अ गुड हेयर स्टाइल और आपका हेयर में कोई प्रॉब्लम भी ना आए. कलर लगने से बालों का ना थोड़ा ड्राई हो जाता है. सो दैट तो कलर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो सके कि कम लगे एंड उसी के साथ आप अच्छी भी लगे. So without any further detail, let's get started. Well, let's be honest. I don't have any different hairstyle for different days. I just love open hair. मुझे ऐसे ही रहना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. But sad part is I can't go everywhere on a daily basis with open hair because that's not practical. Okay. So what I like to do, I always do ponytail. And also I have one more hairstyle which I am gonna show in this video, so stay tuned. Now coming to the first hairstyle, it's very easy, very simple, and if you love ponytail you are gonna love this. So for the first hairstyle, what you need to do, you just need to make a ponytail, like everyday ponytail like this. And then tie your hair with a rubber band. This is just a basic simple everyday ponytail which we all do. Most of the girls do ponytail on daily basis. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, अगर हम ऐसे पोनीटेल में जाए तो उसके हालत तो खुदा जाने क्या होगा. बट नाउ व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, नाउ आई एम गोना ब्रेड दिस. ओके, ऐसे ही हमको ऐसे ब्रेड करना है. नॉर्मल ब्रेड, जैसे ब्रेड में 3 सेक्शन होता है, एक को हम इस तरफ करते हैं फिर हम दूसरे को इस तरफ करते हैं. सो वैसे ही कुछ करना होगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक 3 section of your hair like this, and then what you are going to do, you are going to do a simple braid like which we all do at night before going to sleep. So yeah, I am making that braid. For those who can't do braid, watch me how I am doing this. First of all, like this section, now you need to insert it. You need to hold it like this. Okay, just hold it like this, and now this section, tuck this section at the bottom. Now separate this section. Okay, again hold this section and tuck this section at the bottom. Okay, and then separate this section. Now hold this section at the bottom. This is our simple braid which we all do every time. So yeah, and then tie it with a rubber band. So yeah, you are now good to go. This hairstyle is very simple, very basic. You just do it in 2 minutes. Now let's move on to the second hairstyle. Now except ponytail, I do this hairstyle, not the first one which I'm gonna do right now. I do this hairstyle on everyday basis. So yeah, let's just jump into that. So for this hairstyle, what you need to do, you need to first comb your front section. Okay, comb your front section. And now make a braid, not with the full hair which we have. Now again make a 3 section of this front, from this front hair, and now make a simple braid. Like कुछ दूर तक ही तुम्हें करना है, पूरा हेयर में पूरा ब्रेड नहीं बनाना है, पूरे बालों से ब्रेड नहीं बनाना है. So yeah, and now what you have to do, you have to take hair from this section and tuck it into the braid, and then one more patch, give it one more patch. And now from this section take some hair and now again insert it into the braid and again patch it one more time. So what you have to do, you have to take hair from the right section and insert it into the braid, and then you have to patch it again. Now after one more patch, again you need to take hair from left section and then again you need to make one more patch. तो ऐसे ही करते करते तुम्हारा पूरा ब्रेड बन जाएगा. And then when you are all done, then make a simple braid till the end. Okay, and yeah, then you are ready. Okay, I do this hairstyle when I have oil in my hair because I don't like ponytail when I have oil my hair. क्योंकि मैं मम्मी से चंपी करती हूँ एंड माँ मुझे इतना सारा तेल दे देती है. I don't like that at all. So I do this. I don't like simple braid. That's why I give it some twist. And yeah, and you're now ready to play Holi. Ta-da! Now you can adjust your face with some hair like this, like with some baby hair. Okay. And yes, you are ready for playing Holi. So yeah, that's it. That was my today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. अगर helpful नहीं रहा तो शायद enjoy किया है, अच्छा लगा है तो give this video a big thumbs up क्योंकि उससे थोड़ी सी अच्छा लगता है. And yes, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and also comment down below who are going to play Holi in this year. और बहुत अच्छा लगा है तो शेयर भी कर देना, उससे मुझे थोड़ी सी हेल्प मिल जाएगी। एंड नाउ आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वन। टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय एंड टाटा।